This demo will focus on the server-side execution capabilities of Studio Manager, which is a powerful administration and governance platform for your Winshuttle Studio licenses. Studio Manager gives you granular control over who can do what with your Winshuttle software and enables you to centrally share content, assign licenses, and much more. Please reach out to us if you'd like to set up some time to see a full demo of Studio Manager's capabilities. So then, why is server-side job execution so important? Well, for starters, this allows you to run potentially large volumes of data into SAP without tying up your local machine resources, which means faster executions for those that may be working from home or using a remote VPN connection. You can also use this functionality to download data from SAP on a scheduled basis. For example, a weekly report that you want available every Monday morning could be run and the results would be waiting in your email when you log in. All of this can also be managed within Studio Manager, so any administrative policies you need around how much data can be loaded or when script execution is allowed, for example, can be set up as desired. So here I am in an Excel template, and you can see I'm within my Studio add-in. Now, for our purposes here, I've already opened up a data template that doesn't have any data review process. I can just run this directly into my production SAP system, and we can see that denoted by the Run button here. Now, if there's no data review process, you can actually schedule this as is. So you can either schedule it locally, or you can schedule it on the server. If I click Schedule Server, you see that it asks me to provide a file name for when it saves this back to the Studio Manager site. I click OK,